Yeah, but I'd still like to know how a damn bird, blue jay bird, got in my toilet.
I know.
The seat was down and everything.
It's following the camera.
Give me that spoon right there. Yeah, yeah. Oh shit! Shit! He can't.
Bad.
He's wet. That's why he can't get out. He's wet.
Bird bath.
Come here, honey. Look at this shit. How? Yes, whoever watches this video, I came in here to use the bathroom. I lift up the lid and there's a goddamn bird in my frickin' toilet.
I'm gonna try Mo's one more time.
I'm gonna put this on YouTube. All right, I am not hurting no bird. I'm just trying to get him out. All right, he is finally out of the toilet. Now I have to try and get him out of my house.
Okay, I'm gonna stay back this way so the cats don't come out.
Well, I hope people know I'm doing this humanely. I'm gonna try and get him in the garbage pail so I can sit him outside.
And sit on it.
Alright, well, he just got down. Alright, Austin. Hold this side. Videotape this while I try and get him. No, not so close.
Okay.
I'm going to try and get him with this. So go ahead and just keep videotaping it. Oh crap. You got it?
Uh-huh.
Alright people, here's the blue jay.
Yeah, that's alive. Yeah, we got him out of the toilet.
Yo, this is some funny shit.
No cussing.
Sorry.
We don't know. The lid on its... Because we didn't hear no noise or nothing.
Yo.
Oh.
Yeah. It's a blue jay. Alright, let her know I'm letting it outside now.